how to enable or disable interpreter in navbar live notifications on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, and S25 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. Now in here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we then scroll down and tap on lock screen and AOD. After that, tap on navbar. Then tap on view more. From here, tap on interpreter, tap on the toggle button to switch it off or disable, or tap on it to enable interpreter in the navbar live notifications. So when this is turned on, you can receive notifications for ongoing activities. It can be visible in the lock screen, on the status bar, and at the top of the notification panel. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.